Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Elgin Batincela, 37 years old, married. My husband's name is Michael Batincela. We have 4 children, ages 16, 14, 12, and 10 years old. My mother's name is Milba de la Victoria. My father's name is Eugenio de la Victoria. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate. I work in Kuwait as a domestic helper for 2 years. I served 3 adults. I also work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 1 month. I served 4 adults.
Okay, what is the main reason for applying abroad? Why did you choose Hong Kong?
The reason, ma'am, why I want to work in Hong Kong because I heard that the government has a standard salary for domestic helper. That people are nice, the employer provide good salary and benefits which will enable to save money for my family for their expenses.
Okay, you have experience in taking care of a newborn baby. How about young children?
Yes, ma'am, I have my own children and took care of them since birth. Like assisting them in taking a bath, changing clothes, give nutritious foods, vitamins on time, and medicines if needed, provide tutoring and teach them a good manners like honesty, respect for elders, and obedience. And I also...
Very good. About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
I can take, ma'am, 1 to 2 children.
Very good. Can you tell me some reasons why babies cry?
The baby is crying, ma'am, maybe they are hungry or the diaper is wet, probably sick or sleepy.
Okay, if you are cooking and suddenly the baby cries, what will you do?
I turn off the gas range, ma'am, and attend to the baby immediately.
Very good. How do you manage the houseworks in a baby?
While the baby is sleeping, ma'am, I'll do some household chores. At the same time, look after the baby.
Okay, what will you do if the children are not feeling well?
I'll take the temperature, ma'am, and if they have a fever, I will tell my employer immediately.
Very good. Are you also willing to take care of pets and domesticated animals?
Yes, ma'am, because I have my own pets like cats and dogs.
Okay, do you have experience in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you learn how to cook?
At home, ma'am, my mother taught me.
Okay, what particular food or dishes can you prepare?
Filipino food, ma'am, like adobo, sinigang, and menudo.
Okay, can you cook Chinese foods?
No, ma'am, but I am eager to learn how to cook Chinese food and I follow recipes.
Very good. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing to learn how to speak Cantonese language.
Okay, do you know how to operate simple appliances?
Yes, ma'am, I can operate simple appliances like washing machine, television, and
okay.
vacuum cleaner.
How did you, are you willing to take care of an elderly person or bedridden people?
Yes, ma'am, I can take care of them like assisting them in taking a bath, assisting them in going to the toilet, strolling outside, give food, vitamins, and medicines if needed, give a simple massage, and I can check their vital signs like BP and body temperature.
Very good. What will you do if you found money?
I will turn immediately to my employer, ma'am.
Very good. What will you do if you feel homesick in Hong Kong?
If I feel homesick in Hong Kong, ma'am, I will focus my attention to my duties and responsibilities, or I keep myself busy.
Okay, what promises do you have for your future employers in Hong Kong?
To all employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper, and I will guarantee that I can assure you and perform all the duties and responsibilities expected from me, and I can follow all the rules, regulations, and instructions given. Thank you and God bless.